So here we have a load of Halfords Advanced Modular Trays to go right into your toolbox. We're going to take a look through them all and see what's included. So in a previous video we reviewed lifetime warranty tools to see what you got in different sets. We had Wearer, we had Snap-on or Blue Point, and we had Halfords Advanced. One of our technicians got so excited this weekend he has been out and bought a load of their modular tray stuff. I know, he came in the workshop this morning and goes, I haven't unwrapped it yet. Do you want to use it for a video? And I was like, yeah, definitely. How has he not unwrapped this and had a look? You know, I've got a semi here just thinking about it. First up, a socket set. Yeah, 28 piece 3/8 set. How is he letting me do this? Why is he not wanting to do this himself? Oh, it's so exciting opening new tools, especially when someone else has paid for them. Amazing. Oh, the modular trays. Look at that. That is just beautiful 3/8 set. Look at that, long and short reach. Oh, proper Ratchet, look at that. Yes, love it. You've seen us feature that very Ratchet in the previous video that we've done, which will be linked at the end of the video, so make sure you watch till the end. What's next? Impact Duty 1/2 inch set from 10 to 34 millimeters. Impact Duty, short reach. Impact Duty short reach. Nice. Yes, put it straight into your Ugga Dugga to be able to go. I love these modular trays. They're all foamy. When you buy other tools, you've got to cut the foam out yourself. Extension set, modular tray, 1/4 inch, 3/8. Oh, look at that. Oh, 1/4 inch, 3/8 and 1/2 inch extensions. Every one you'd ever need. Should put them all together and see how long it is. Ooh. We have 44 piece, 1/4 inch socket set. That's right. I'm just getting too excited. Ah, we've got a stray, look. So it is out the set. It is out the set. We haven't got a bonus one. Look at that. So you've got your bits, you've got your torque bits, and you've got your tamper-proof bits, your hex bits, your long reach sockets, short reach sockets, nut driver, extension, little mini breaker bar on the T-bar thingy. Knuckle, that's a nice set, really like that. Right, let's pop that over there with that one. And then we've also got 1/2 inch, which I'm guessing very similar, but just less in it, because obviously 1/2 inch sockets take up more room than 1/4 inch sockets. Tools, shiny, shiny, shiny tools. That is nice. That is just a beautiful, beautiful 1/2 inch set. Some long reach, some short reach, an extension, a knuckle, short, another extension, and your ratchet. Nice and simple. We sort of featured them in the last video anyway. And then what have we got here? Another 3/8 set. So this is 31 piece. What was the other one? The other one was 28 piece. He's got proper excited, hasn't he? He's got every single modular tray available, so he tells me. I haven't actually looked that up, probably should have. Apart from the file set, which he hasn't got. It'd be quite interesting in the comments if you can put in what you think Halfords should come out with in their sets. You know, what are they missing from their sets? Because we're going to put all this, or he's going to put all this into his toolbox soon. Make sure you stay tuned to the end to see that. Yes, another 3/8 set. What's the difference between that 3/8 set and this 3/8 set then? Hang on. 3/8 set. Ah, okay, that's long. You got more longs in that one than more shorts than this one. Is it? There's a few differences. You got a few more. Oh, you got your spark plug sockets in these, and you haven't in that one. Interesting. Oh, onto spanners now. The flex head ratchet spanners from 8mm to 19mm. This is what I'd like. I'd like this in my little workshop down here, this set. You never know, I might treat myself one day to a nice set of ratchet spanners. Well gel are these. Oh, look at those. They are nice. They are really nice. They're beautiful. Oh, just that. Just makes everyone's day happier, doesn't it? With the flex head on the end. Get into awkward places. Yeah, nice. Again, lovely little tray. Oh, just nice, isn't it? What more could you ask for? What more could you want? Oh, another strange looking spanner set. Your ring spanner set for offset, you know, spannering, as it were. This could be perfect. Look at that. From 6 to 22mm on your offset spanners. Handy set to have without a shadow of a doubt. You know, when you're going out all out on tools like our man has here, then I think it's a perfect thing to do. God, look at this. Our little castle's building. Another spanner set, we have 11 piece, 1/4 inch. Oh, we've got Imperial spanner set. Oh, is that the difference on the 3/8 set? That could have been that, couldn't it? Yeah, that's what it is. 3/8 Imperial and 3/8 metrics socket set on the 3/8 set. I knew there must have been something very different about it. Spanner set, just your standard, proper just combination spanners. Nice, like it. Quite narrow, quite fat on the head on that one. What are they like on, oh no, that's nice. Yeah, if you look at the little 3/8 set there, that's a nice, narrow spanner. I don't like fat spanners. You know, no, not being discriminant against spanners or anything. And what we got next? More spanners. Oh yeah, 12-piece combination. So this is the same set, but in metric. Another beautiful set of combination spanners from 8 to 19 mil and everything in between. Nice. Another ratchet spanner set. This is the non-flex head ratchet spanner set. Normal ratchet spanners. Yeah, ready? We love that noise. You may guess that already. Cool, right, let's move all of that. Right, onto the exciting stuff, all the nitty-gritty tools now, which is my favourite. You know, spanners and sockets and ratchets, you know, you can only get so excited about them. And we move on to the hammer set. Yeah, everyone loves a hammer. At the end of the day, everything is a hammer if you're brave enough. Out with the hammer set, and this is a specialist hammer set, because 8-piece hammer and punch and chisel set. Oh, yes, look at this. Proper ball peen hammer. And then you've got your hickory, genuine hickory, what do you call that? Oh, soft-faced hammer. Soft-faced hammer for using for soft facing. So your soft face, just use that hammer. But yeah, punches and chisels, cold chisels and punches, nice, like it a lot. And we're going to move on to the bit set, 36-piece bit set. So this is all your Torx, all of your like safety ones and your posi drives, your flatheads, the ones that you put into your 1/4 inch, 1/2 inch and 3/8 ratchets. You'd have, yeah, look at that, because you've got your 3/8 ratchet ones there, look. Oh, they're so nice. That is proper, yeah, all tamper-proof bits. So, you know, if you want to take apart like a battery charger, I find, has always got the tamper-proof bits in, so, or tamper-proof screws, so you've got the little dot in the middle of the torque, love that. Then you've got your normal hex keys, and big Torx as well. Torx from T10 to T60. Big. Right, move that another way. Ah, this is nice. Adjustable spanner set, or adjustable wrench set, depending where you are in the world. But this is a 3-piece set, and you've got, well, big, medium, and small. Yeah, you have big, medium, and small wrenches. Ah, look at that. Look at that. It's just smile worthy, isn't it? And that's from 0 mils up to 45, 47 mil. Big bigs will go right down to the small. Oh, nice. Like that. And then you've got your 2 smaller ones as well. Really like it. And then we have a plier set. What was it? Circlet pliers for internal and external circlets. There's only so many ways you can skin a cat, I suppose. I'm not suggesting you skin cats with circlet pliers. Just, you know, putting that out there. Yeah, as expected. So how narrow are they? Oh, they are, yeah, they've got some nice, because you find with some circlet pliers, they're really fat on the end. But these are nice, I like them. And they're quite fine on the end. And then obviously you've got your awkward ones. I don't know what you call that. Tapered end? There we go, we'll go with that. Oh, normal pliers. And a pair of, well, I can't call them mole grips, because mole grips is a brand, isn't it? So it's a bit like calling your vacuum cleaner a Hoover, although we all still do. So you've got 3 sets of pliers in here. Standard pliers, long nose pliers, and side cutters, and your mole grips, or your, what do they call mole grips in locking pliers? Locking pliers. There it is, look at that, nice, it's nice. I've got big hands, and they actually use up my whole hand. Nothing worse than a small pair of pliers that you're like, yeah, like this. I know they've got uses, but yeah, those long nose ones, they're quite short handled. I prefer a bit of a longer handle. That's exactly what I mean. See what I mean, difference between the handles? They should have the same size handle as that. Otherwise, really like that. I've never used Halfords locking pliers before, although I'm a bit of a mole grip plier man myself. Nice set though, nice set. Screwdrivers, it's the lightest set of them all. Tri-lobe, I know that's what Milwaukee call them, tri-lobe. They've got 3 sides rather than round, so it's nice, you can actually get some torque and traction behind them when you're screwing. Screws, and then you've got some little baby electrical ones as well with the twisty ends. Quite common stuff, but nice, I like them. Feel quite nice. You've got 1, 2, 3, 4, no, 3 flatheads and 3 Phillips or posi drive Phillips. Next set is a hex key T-bar handle set, otherwise known as Allen key T-bars. They're long. Look at the length of that. That's what you want. Nice long bar, yeah. Like it. Nice. Right. Pop that back in there. You've got from 2.5 mil up to 8 mil. So yeah, nice set. Torque T-bar set. T-bar Torque sets, 7-piece. Have you got a T27? Because we're in the small engine industry and the T27 is the most popular, and some sets don't come with T27. If you're a manufacturer watching this video, please put T27s in all your sets. It's really important to us. Yay! It's got T27. So standard torque, nice. Oh, they are tamper-proof torques on the end as well. I haven't seen that before. So yeah, T27 in a torque set, very important, and they're tamper-proof torques on the end, so love that. Cool, and that is all. That's all 19 of them. There's 19 sets we've got. Right, let's lay them out and have a look, see what it all looks like. So if you weren't keeping count, that is 295 pieces or tools in all of those cases. I know they are beautiful. If I had a semi at the beginning of this video, well, let's just say things have progressed quite a lot. I know. Tools are so exciting. I'm gonna go and give these back to our technician and he's gonna put them into his toolbox how he requires. But if you haven't already subscribed, please subscribe to our channel. Please like this video and show us some support. We'd really like it. Lots more tools and machinery reviews and videos coming. So yeah, please help us out. Thank you very much. We'll see what it looks like in this toolbox.